Go! Hi everyone, I'm going to show an app that help to calculate the area and perimeter of square. This is the coding session. These are the codes which I used. On event, then button 1, then set text 2 times and click whatever label it is. I'm going to show you my label. See? It's label 4 and label 5. You can think this is a mistake. You can think it's label 14, but it's label 4 on this one. And this I got this from the maths. You should check multiply option and get number. Get number is here. Here you should click this both get number and text input 1. This is this one. Text input 1. Then this is also the same thing. Perimeter equal to 4 times the number. So this one came here and get number will come here. Get number, it's right here. And we should do this 4 times. This is a app and this is a mobile simulator. See, this is the mobile simulator. In this, we can enter any number. It will display the perimeter and area. Let's check it. Let's try 7. Calculate. It came 49, 28. 49 is the area and 28 is the perimeter. Let's try another. 20. 400 is the area and 80 is the perimeter. See? This is all the tasks. These are all the codes which I used. I'm showing it again. Okay. Bye.